You only have one life. You need to make sure that you're happy. You know, if not, you're just gonna be miserable and famous. I curate my environment.
Oh, I love that.
Love that.
Yeah, I curated like a playlist, having the right people around me that are not afraid to tell me off or, you know, be upset with me or tell me no. And I always just try and find little experiences everywhere I go. My mom's on tour with me too. I just try and make the most beautiful scene every single time.
Are you gonna be? Say that you're gonna be. Yeah. Are you gonna be in love with me? I want you and need you to be. Yeah. Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna be? Are you gonna
Your love is intimate, knows me fully and still closely holds. Your plan is intricate, weave together perfectly. It unfolds, and I need you each moment. Oh, that I would know the peace that you bestow deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of oh, friend, I wish you knew the measure of the love Jesus poured out for you. There's no end to what God can do. Come see it firsthand, His promises are true, and I need Him each moment. I have come to know the peace that He bestows deep down in my soul. In every moment, surrounded all alone, when all creation groans, I will sing of how could we hope for what is already seen? We ourselves grown in.
This day that God has given me, I'm not gonna waste this joy deep down inside me. I'm not gonna shake. Been stressed for so long, so stuck in my own way. So I'ma enjoy this moment. It's the day that the Lord has made. got so hot I thought I wanna die. Blood dripping from my arm, just wanna feel inside. Too afraid to open up, so I'd rather hide. Man, I'm just so grateful that I made it this far. Almost thought I had to call my mama in a cop car. Benny's everything for me and everything I need. I would be nothing if you didn't give me no reason to be. Cause I'm riding through the city. Let's put tomorrow away. And I ain't worried about it. Come too far. See with the top down. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Don't you worry about tomorrow. Worry about tomorrow. Tomorrow will work out itself.
God, you call me by my name. The love you give me, I just can't deny. Yeah. No longer blinded, I can see you. I'm on my way to meet you. We gotta talk, you know. All these trials and tribulations got me tired, I need rest. And I heard that I can come to you when weary of my flesh. You awaken me from death. God, I need you. No more walking by the flesh, that's when I leave you. God told me I'm someone, 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 know that I'm someone, no, I'm a child of God. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I wanna go to Golly way, close to your love again. I give my heart again, Jesus. I know you know me well. I feel invisible until you tell me you're right here. I cancel plans with you to meet with sin and break your heart. Sometimes I go to you for what you give, not who you are. I wonder if you need for me. God, just tell me what you need from me. Is the Holy Spirit saving me? God, I'm asking you for clarity. Even though you told me already. God told me I'm someone. 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 Know that I'm someone. No, I'm a child of God.
Batung Luna, Dumelang. Oh my days, I couldn't think of a proper time and place to do my intro because I'm sure Niazbu's guti. Hey rala uncles oh na like way as a na, you know. But anyway, hey my lovings, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your very first time seeing me on this platform, I hope you love what you see and you subscribe to my channel. And if you are a returning subby, welcome back my babe, welcome back sweetheart, welcome back to you. My name is Zinzunkomo. For those of you who do not know me, Kumzi to some, and a very warm welcome to you all. This is a day in my life vlog. I think it's either going to be a day in my life or typical few days in my life. I don't know, but with how today's day is planned out, I think I just might turn it to be a typical day in my life. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I do my morning walks sometimes depending on how I feel. If I'm not lazy to get up, I get up and then I do morning walks. But I'm trying to be more consistent on filming and taking myself seriously in general. So I don't know if ngivela kahle, guys, but anyway. What was I saying? Oh, I will be going to ShopRite to go and do not shopping, kimaka. Kilo reka mashi. Cause mamaka batla mashi. Mamaka unchinchisa di plan. Unchinchisa di plani. She's really inconveniencing my life, if I'm being honest. But yeah, it's fine. I wanna go get cocoa. Areke mutlele mashi. And I'm saying we want muffins and not the scones. The ingredients so get a cocoa because it's really just cocoa that I need. But because mama get la ring. Oh baby, so nesantane ke re ke leblela well ke re khete mash because my mom said I should get her milk right. Get distracted because vlogging is kind of not allowed, but they said I can't do it. But I don't like izinto ezinyenza yanonke have to negotiate or whatever. But job, but I don't understand why certain shops need you to go or bakope. It's not like ke tlhagisa batho ba lona or the price tsa lona or anything. I don't know what those policies are, but vlogging is somewhat prohibited but not prohibited. Like anyway, my mom hates the color. By the way, she's really colorblind because why green and blue is the same thing to her. Anyway, she said I must bring her milk. Yes, such a blue. But then I can check if I such a blue. It's just green. And then yeah, much white. And then I can get cocoa. I was gonna get it anyway, but you know. What do you mean it's cocoa is 100 rand? It's literally 40 million, guys. Anyway, yeah, let's get going before I go to jail. I don't understand how this small thing is 55 rand. 55? I mean, I get it that it's cocoa, but yo, I don't know. Guys, I'll see you at home because my phone's gonna die and I still need to film when I get home. So yeah, home sweet home. I'm back. Oh my god, baker. Let's go. Unchinchi sa di bloody. Mama kuku itura. Itura, give 40 million. Oh my gosh, I was like,
you don't do shopping, so when I hand to reka, when I'm not gonna go yeah.
Yo, I was so shocked when I saw that price. I was so shocked. If you can't tell me this is enough, yo. Anyway, when she's done, we will bake together. I also want to do my bathing, the laundry. But see you guys in a few.
Hey. Ke bula marshmallow gatne. Mo se ke go bake ale kane 1 liter ile kane by mix. So, I'm not looking for 100 mil. What's that 900 mil? You can do whatever you want to do. But you have to be excessive. Yeah, excessive. I can't measure mangata yalo. You see when you have your home.
You do, and you finish my milk in one go.
That's what measure.
Bullying us.
We are making coffee. You don't want. But it's I need to fill up two cascaftins. my husband. What did he tell you? My house, he's not even here. He's not even coming. I understand why you're baking.
That's the way I like it.
Oh, but lack of communication. Let me say this. Lack of communication.
But if you fuck me, then fuck you. And that's the way I like it. And that's the way I like it. That's the way I like it.
Oh, but I'm coming for you.
Do everything, and then you don't do anything.
Otherwise, do you let me I don't do them, and that's why they come at me.
Have the truth, and it shall set you free.
Some of y'all go get a wash.
Because my husband knows for the whole time. Did I not tell you?
That's the way I like it. Everything been okay. They salute me so damn much. Every time show up, nigga, her about face. Everything no cut. I fuck y'all up. I'm really gonna check about
I wanted to
know
know
that she
if
selling guts. Why you waiting on us? Tell them I was so cheesy.
how fair?
You fucking with niggas that's thinking they cute and you.
Exactly. So plan that like a little plan proper.
The tenderness of
Young
us
one,
for some white girl.
You stretching the whole day, my bad. No one said anything. Now we should wait again. You're not.
No favors. I wager whatever you worth. I ball.
Hey, man, you're not being fair. You. Now we should pause our lives until your life is sorted out. No. No. Do my laundry. You stress me out for free. This smells so good. Kikopa oh. Mama. Bua sentle. Iyo. Please and thank you. After when you want to come and do the opposite. Even if you West Noki adult, because I can say no, you know. And then it's gonna seem what disrespect. Ask me nicely. Kikopa cheese or cheese Mama, that does not sound polite. Mama, okay. You go go Rena. Panna. Anyway, this smells so good. This is wow. It smells good. I just put it in my taste. It has a coffee flavor. I originally wanted a matcha, so I don't know how I feel just being coffee. But it's not bad. She has good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Ooh. have on today's itinerary, guys? Is my video paused? We're supposed to have baking, but my mom is stressing my life out. Anyway, we're still gonna bake, right? What else? Oh, I need to do my laundry. Tomorrow she's doing her laundry, so I need to do my laundry. I need to wash my bedding. I think that will be it for the day, because we're already tired. I'm just so done already, because my mom is getting the nerves. I'm overstimulated. Yeah. But anyway, I had a great walk. It's overall a good 8 out of 10.
I didn't know this year. You don't eat them because didn't go shopping. When you don't have in the house,
We can buy them, right?
yes,
It's not that don't have if anything costs.
you don't have.
But I'm
Not for
buying
the
it.
house. Yes, when you buy it. Then
But what are we are such a loud family? Oh my god. Takelo why are they so loud? And that's really how we speak. Go away, time. Go away. There's so much going on. Mara, I cannot pronounce. Stuff is a test. Ako na what's that in it? Kinakuskramia la maya ke fetsa ka. I can't try to eat a pizza.
Agar weekend is a my happy. You don't get some happy. Agar when I weekend is. You don't get some happy. You left at because since again, like talk it out. Why would that be making me come in?
Makon kinagidiran man. Pizza la hayo tumaisi.
I was telling my food was telling this.
Wena wang rasha.
I to call again get it. Food to call again get it.
Wena wang rasha. I was going to keep one and get a breakfast pizza pani e hane ke finish.
I want no one. Come and take your place.
Mama time forward where are you?
I have a lot to care.
How are you just
While I spend my life with you, wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Your love is the one.
Be loving my booty and shit.
Take off like a lefty. My exes can't come back to me cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breastfeed. All my praises go to the most high cause he blessed me. I can't take my bitch nowhere, she be tryna undress me. I can't take my goon nowhere, he be tryna impress me. I don't really fuck with nobody cause niggas is zesty. I come from the jungle, yeah, nigga, I was just broke, pockets was empty. Bitch, you gon' fail. You tryna test me? I come from the jungle, yeah, nigga. Take it from park to drive, take off like a lefty. My exes can't come back to me 'cause I'm not where they left me. My bitch just gave me a baby, I'm watching her breastfeed. All my praises go to the most high 'cause he blessed me. Hey, Slimmer. Bitch, I heard, bitch, I'm him. Yeah, triple cup fell to the brim. Hey, yeah, this pot of fake cost me a limb. I see the rest bring him in. Pull up, can't get you with glimpse. Even if I get on win, hey, he gon' walk out with a grin. Hey,
Turns out I had you turned out. What's my mood? Try me, come find out. One more time, stop trying to read my mind. I'm not her and she's not me, and you know mine. Don't me, no, yeah, with me. Baby, don't be in me. Please don't bother me. Hey, don't leave me. Flow is fine and peace. You wanna make me free. Reasons that you got it. Please say love me, and put me Chanel. 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 Say love me, put me Chanel. I'm a big dog baby, and a dog baby's off me. You will not bring me, it's not crazy, man, don't chase me. You want to see me, where you gon' take me? Please say love me, and put me Chanel. Say love me, put me Chanel.
I tonight that day. 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 Hey, no. I don't know what I gotta take that. But I end up. Why you push up? Why back up? I don't know what I gotta take that. Why you push up?
I think we're very hard on ourselves sometimes. I mean, I do it all the time. I'm like my worst critic. But it's important to just, give yourself the love that you know you're capable of giving to other people.
My birthday is on the 8th.
Birthday is on the 9th. September as well. No. We both at June.
I am done. I outdid myself, guys. Okay, it was my first time piping, and you know the bunny elements, right? But overall, this was a long day. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I hope that I'll see you guys on my next video. I love you guys so much, and thank you. Hopefully you'll be able to try out the recipe for yourself and see if you like it. I ended up doubling my measurements, so my sponge is slightly thicker than how it would have been had I just went with the original one, but it is still great. And I'm tired. I'm done for the day, probably done for the weekend, done for the month. It's almost month end anyway, so I've been yapping my life away and I didn't see Nirite what. But anyway, guys, thank you so much for tuning in. I love you guys so much. I am so tired, Bandla. I am really tired. This is me and my cupcakes. Tata my screenshots, lap. Anyway, guys, it was my first time give piper, hence didn't go as planned, but starach. Hopefully you guys can try the recipe for yourselves and see if you like it. And yeah, that's really about it. My tongue is so wide. That's because I'm against that thing. The ingredients didn't have done. Anyway. What did I want to say? Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Do try the recipe if you want to. What else? If there's anything I forgot, then tough. Oh, sorry. I was saying that I'll see you guys next month. At least 2 videos. Not so bad. But this is season 1, episode 2 of Zinza's Becoming Diaries. Mwah. Love you guys so much. Bye.